Miss Dipsa's classroom, Roman numeral classics, P1. Forgetting classics video like. I'm joking, it's just a sound effect. Roman numeral chapter 2 in Composite Mathematics. R.S Vikas Aggarwal. But why Roman numbers? Okay, comparing and constructing our number system with another help us recognize and appreciate the richness and power of our number system or numeral system. Converting between the two offers great practice in compounding and the pattern recognized. Our number system is also called Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay, we have got Roman numbers. Okay, let's see our Roman number symbols. The Roman numbers are made using 7 symbols as shown below. 1. This Hindu-Arabic 1 means our Indian Oriental Asian 1 is here. Roman numeral is 1. This our 5 is also converted in Roman numeral 3. Here 10 is converted here X. Here 50 in our Hindu-Arabic number. Here we got in Roman numeral L. Now we got here in Hindu-Arabic number is 100 and in Roman numeral we got C. And okay, there's a fun fact here. C is also called as century. Here we got 500 and here we got in Roman numerals D. It is 1000 here and here N. What an interesting fact. So let's go in the next slide. Let's go into the Roman numerals. Symbol or the set of symbols to make the number 1000 times larger. Okay, so let's get into the example boxes. First is V indicates 5 and here we get in the number 1000 so we want 5000. VI indicates 6 so it is going to plus 1000 here we got 6000. We got L indicates 50 so 50 and again we got here 1000 so again we have 2000 50,000 and the same one here. Our lesson will no deal with symbols with bars over them. For example, all numbers in our lesson will be smaller than 5000. So let's go in the next slide. Rewriting Roman numeral. Roman numerals are written by combining a subset of the even or 7 numbers listed in the table. For examples, VII is V plus 1 is equal to 7. X plus I is equal to 10 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 30. So this is a fact of combining a subset of 7 numbers listed in the table. If a small number comes before a larger number, you subtract the smaller number from the larger. For example, IV is V minus 1 is equal to 4. IX is 10 minus 1 equal to 9. So interesting. Writing a Roman numeral. Only one digit is subtracted at one time, so you cannot represent it as IIX because that's subtracting from the 10 twice. Rather you write VIIXLIB is considered adding 50 minus 10 to 5 minus 1 or 44. So that's okay. Examples C1V is 100 plus 5 minus 7 is equal to 94. LIX is 50 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 59. The V is never subtracted. The number 45 is written as XLV, not VL. Writing a Roman numeral. A number cannot be subtracted from another number that is 10 or more times larger. So I cannot subtract from L, V cannot be subtracted from C, and so forth. You did not never write 99 CIC. It would be XCIX. Example 1. What is the value of CDXLVI? C is 100 and D is 500. 9. C is smaller than D. We subtract 100 from 500, 400. X is 10 and A is 50. Since X is smaller than A, we subtract 10 from 50, 40. Now we see here V is 5, okay, and I is 1. Since V is larger than I, we add 5 and putting it all together we get 440 and 6, and it's easily and simply 446. Wow, that was a clear touch. Example 2. How would I write 2346 as Roman numeral? Easy peasy, that's a girl. M is 1000, so MM represents 2000. C is 100, so CC represents 300. L is 50 and X is 10, so XL represents 40. V is 5 and I is also 1, so VI represents 6. Putting it all together, we get MMCCCXLVI. Thank you. Thank you very much. So let me tell you about more about it. Like and subscribe it and share with your all friends. This is CBSC Board Syllabus 3 Roman numeral. Is mainly from class 5, so I get it from all books of Composite Mathematics for R.S Aggarwal Vikas Aggarwal, and it's classics. So because it is Roman numerals, so I give it to classics playlist or even to album. So thank you. Now you can get all our classics and also sciencely subjectly. There are many places you can go from place and then you can search it. If you like the classics content, then like. If you don't like, then dislike it. And also inform me in the uh, description box given email dipsha.19@gmail.com. So help me it to begin it. And you can also get in the laptops or computers or desktops in the about one. Thank you very much. So kids, if you are my fans, so always subscribe and share to your all friends because it is very thoughtfully. It is not so animationally and not so funny because if you get more fun, you will only see the animation, not the other one. Did you understand? So like me, always. Nothing else will write me. I like you. So now let's see on my next video. I'm guessing what can be it because I really not prepared such things. So let's just see in the next Thursday. Bye bye. See you later.